for mama. Where is my where is she? Where is that lady? Where is that lady? This is Kevin.
Yes, go on for me. Go on together, do it for me.
I will. Hey doggy, what's your name? You leading me to the house? What's your name, doggy? What's your name? You're such a nice dog. You happen to see me. You're a nice puppy.
Hello. All right, Jennifer. Later.
Hello.
Hello.
Look how long. Get up yourself.
Lord have mercy. You're tall now. My God. Kevin.
Hey.
Oh, you're tall, Pogo.
Yes,
You can't reach you again.
what makes a tree?
Watch ya. Oh, see that
Don't
God.
be big.
They were with you, so.
I bush me go.
Wait, which bush?
Patrick.
My God, I am.
What do I feel?
I don't feel well from morning.
What's wrong?
The pressure, if one decides.
No, man, go bring it on my back. Yeah. Hold on on my back. Jackie right there, get. Come on my back. Watch yourself, my dear. Wait, let me hold it. Let me hold it. Take your time,
All right.
Hold up on my shoulder, hug up on my shoulder. Go up down.
Yeah, go down.
Yeah,
Take time.
Take your time.
Don't know what them there.
No, man, I'm the right. So just do.
Maybe just a bigger boy. You wake up.
Yeah.
The little exercise good for you, see.
Yes. See him there, look at him look like a strong. You ever seen how strong him is now, Patrick? You see how strong him is? Oh. Patrick, you not feeling muscle? You hug him up lately? Oh, Patrick.
No.
Come over here, Patrick. Put on the cane. Put on the cane. Put it on, Patrick. Put on the knife. Put on the knife. No, hug him up. Feel how he's strong. You feel how strong? Feel him muscle him. I'm that, you know. See, Patrick, come on, my dear.
Yeah.
Patrick can always take care of him, mother.
So big like you.
Yeah.
More and big like Patrick.
Yeah, no.
Yes.
Don't know where they're coming.
No, them right here. I want you to meet this lady right here. Her name is Angela.
Blessed love.
Oh.
Good to meet you.
This woman is Angela is the greatest healer. You're meeting another great healer. These are two healers.
Oh my.
Him tell me how you heal him from him at 2-year-old. Him tell me that 20 years ago.
Oh my God.
Him tell me say them dash him you take him up and clean them up and say no, him a fussy me, I clean up the boy fussy too.
And get him fussy better.
Ah.
When his aunt come for him, he wonder what I do to him.
Oh.
And he was sucking his finger. I hear them at night, and when I come, no finger not sucking.
Oh. You have to teach me some of your healing methods.
Oh.
Yeah?
Eh?
You have to teach me some.
Oh, well, if I can.
Well, I'm willing to learn, you know. So all I do is I watch you. So you can tell me when I can come and I can just come sit down and watch you and you teach me some herbs.
Listen this, you can't too old to learn.
And well, me just born, you know. Me only 3.
You're just only 3? Well, I'm only 1.5.
Watch your step out of people and lie about the edge.
So the other person is.
This is Ja Patriot. This man is Ja Patriot. He's similar to you. He's without sight right
Only thing
now.
you sexy than me.
He has longer hair than you. He's well groomed.
Hey, mama. Blessings.
From the Most High.
How you doing?
Ah.
You feel him here? This man's a Rasta man. He's strong as
Oh
Solomon.
my God.
And he's also blind.
Who is this?
He's blind.
My husband.
Oh, this is your husband.
Yeah.
And he can't see and you can't see well either. It's one big family over here.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh.
So, lots of hair. Lots of hair.
Yeah, man.
And let me let you meet the other gentleman. This is Iron.
Hi, mama.
Tell her your real name.
O'Brien.
My son.
O'Brien.
And you, Sue?
O'Brien.
Brian,
Yes.
connected to this gentleman?
Well, friends and family.
Friends.
and family. One big happy family.
You see, he will take care of you when we're gone. He'll come see you and bring stuff for you.
Me come to. So you hear more than
So you don't have no hair.
No.
Oh.
No.
So it's a mixed family.
Yes.
Oh, that's right.
Mixed family with clean heart and lots of love.
That's right. I'm glad to hear that. And you come where it is.
Yes.
So we will never be no more strangers.
No more strangers.
So more leave?
I'm me. I'm the biggest and more. I'm me, man.
Randy.
Mm-hmm.
Randy,
You're big, right?
my God.
You're big.
So
So, mama, what's your name?
my name is Lina.
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 Okay.
I was Ashley, but the adoption of Barnes. You know the adoption how it goes.
Right.
But he gone a long time ago.
Okay.
They just leave me alone now, and the eye now gone. The eye.
Completely?
The eye,
Completely gone or
the eye is on his way.
so what is it? Glaucoma or
I don't even know what the doctor says. My nerves. The nerves get bad.
so you just need to use the ganja night.
You should do what?
Use the ganja night.
Speak louder. She
use
can't
it?
hardly hear.
How you use it?
You can use it where you boil maybe about this amount from here, like all these fingers right here, maybe about that amount, right? And get a pint of water.
After you boil
No, you
it
can
in
boil it a
of
pint of water with a nutmeg, but you can get them nutmeg with the maize on the outside, and you
You
crush
boil
the
it,
shell,
everything with it.
grate the nutmeg, and just boil that for 15 minutes. Make it sit and cool off, then you strain it off through like a stocking or a cheesecloth or something like that. And then use that and wash your eye night
Wash
and
it,
morning.
wash it.
Night and morning. If you have an eye wash cup, that would be great.
Oh,
Maybe
you have
run-
to drop it in it.
Well, what you can do now, if you get the fresh herb now, you can now squeeze the juice from it. Get a piece of cloth, beat it up and squeeze it. Get the juice out of it.
I understand.
And then you can use that and as a drop.
Okay.
And then now get the honey, pure honey. 1 tablespoon of honey to 3 tablespoons of water. And use that also as a washing of the eye, because that's going to lower the pressure in the eye.
So you don't mix that with the
no,
first wash.
no.
Okay. So tell me something. The nutmeg.
Yes.
You take off everything off the nutmeg.
But you can put it in the pot also. The maize and the shell.
Everything
Everything
must
gonna go
in it.
in the water and you grate the nutmeg.
And put everything together.
Put
That
everything
is
together
three.
with the
So
ganja.
3 things going. The nutmeg have 3 things in it.
The shell,
and
the
and
maize,
hooks. Okay.
right, or the husk.
And the inside.
Yes.
You go and grate it. And then you put it in the
A
water.
pint of water and
pint of
boil it for
water.
15 minutes.
Okay.
When it cool off now, then you just strain it off.
And take
And
it
use
as-
it and wash your eye.
Take it as a bath.
Yeah.
Okay, brother.
Yeah, man. And the honey definitely is important, because the honey will lower the pressure, you know?
Right, the pressure.
So you have high blood pressure too?
No, the pressure on the eye.
But she have. Do you have any high blood pressure? You do?
High blood pressure.
You have high blood pressure too? Patriot, what should she take for the high blood pressure? You're taking any pills?
Sorry?
It don't give me any, it don't trouble me.
Right.
But you wasn't
So
feeling
the-
good
for
today.
Me, for me have Jen, that is 58 years ago. Doctor told me that I have high blood pressure.
So
But it don't
how young are you? How young are you?
86.
Yeah?
86.
Wow. That's amazing.
Eh?
That's amazing.
Yeah, man.
man.
I'm happy about it. I'm happy about it. Well, the pressure, no, I don't feel the pressure. It's only the nerves now, the nerve. Because you know why I know it's the nerve? Before I went to the doctor, I feel something crawling over my face. And there is nothing on my face. So, and I did say it was the pressure hurting the hand. But when I went to the doctor, a surgeon in Kingston, he said, Mother, why you work your nerves out so? You work out yourself, man. Him say I'm a lucky woman.
And that's what happened to healers, you know.
He say you're lucky, you don't tremble because it just strength up your body while you're not trembling. I don't tremble. I do anything. I do right you, Randy. I tidy. I do everything. I cook. I clean. I do everything. I look after the chicken same way. I don't know how I do it, but through the grace of God, I do it.
So how does she apply this wash to her eyes? She applied.
Like an eye wash cup?
Yes, the one with the little mouth and
Yeah, like a right.
yes, you know, I didn't get it at the doctor, you know, and I never threw it away.
Pull it up. We can get you one, man. 'Cause you can just go to the pharmacy. If you don't have the eye wash cup itself, you can always buy an eye wash. It come with the cup.
Okay. Yes, I used to get the eye wash, you know. So I tell
You just open up your eye, right? Wash your eye, you can lean back on.
yes, and jump. I have it inside. I have it inside. As you talk, I know what it is.
Yeah.
I don't throw away those things.
Good.
Anytime I use them, I put them up.
Let's see if we can sit down here. Don't move, Paycheck. You know the step, right, Paycheck?
Yeah, man.
We're guiding with two family here,
Take
and they're
time.
guiding each other. What? No, Paycheck.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, there you go.
You good?
Yeah, she's up. One more up, Mama.
You carrying me out?
No, we're just sitting on the wall right here.
Okay.
You could turn around.
You want to
Just
sit
turn
on the
around.
step, because the step more even.
You want to step
This
on?
kind of slant, you know?
You're gonna sit down. She's probably too low for the steps. You're good here.
I can sit.
You're good.
Okay.
All right. Paycheck is right beside you.
Yeah.
So this was the legendary wall we did the original herbs together. You remember the time we took out 70 of the herbs and we explained which one did what? You were with Bertram.
Yes.
Yes, remember. The people remember you from doing that. All over the world, 200,000 people have viewed your great works. You must know that you have touched many, many lives
That's right.
and inspired many, many people. What do you want to say? Hey guys, you want to go further down for me? Thank you. So, what you want to say to all the women growing up without the natural healing remedies of the earth? You're a healer for many years. You've healed me and many others. What do you say of the woman of tomorrow? How should they continue this tradition, coming back home to Jamaica to do that? Talk to them. Be the mother for those who are motherless and directionless. Can you do that for us? Take your time. Go ahead. So for the women all over the world who are not herbal healers, how do you direct them? What do you say to them?
So what do I say to them?
How to take care of themselves, how to...
Okay, why? Well, you have to. If I could, just because something have missing, you understand? Because if I could have seen, I would then get the things together and then show them what to do with it. But because I can't see again now, I would just have to just encourage them and tell them what, if they need this or they need that, or if they know this thing or if they know that thing. Because there are many things of healing, there are many things for healing.
Yeah.
You see.
But
And
can
the
you
condition
instruct?
is this.
Do you have anyone that you can instruct to say,
This is good.
this is do this one, or you know,
Yes.
gather this particular herb and let us put it together and instruct people how to put it together?
And the most thing in it, in doing these things, you have to believe.
Yeah, definitely.
That's
First
right.
and foremost.
Well, if you have tappage, you know what they call tappage of water. Yes, if you have the tappage of water.
Enlarged prostate.
Yes.
Yeah.
You get the Nickal. You know Nickal? Or you get the Nickal and you get the dandelion,
Yeah.
and you parch both of them, and you beat it, and you dry it, and you drink it. It
Okay.
helps. Yes, that is good.
So you use an anti-inflammatory with a blood cleanser.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. You see, yes, your part. You know, it's not easy to beat, though. You know,
Right.
no, it's not easy to beat, but
So you beat it like in a mortar.
That's
Okay.
right. Are you from Jamaica?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
He's from St. Anne's.
Okay. Okay.
He's a herbalist also.
But it must be so. St. Thomas people always.
St. Anne's.
St. Anne's.
St. Anne's, you from?
Yeah.
St. Anne's. We're in St. Anne's.
Runner Bay.
Okay. I was living in Scarborough.
Okay.
You know Scarborough? I was working there with
Yeah.
the puller there.
Okay.
Yes, I was working when I was young.
Yeah.
So that is it. And you have the cirrhosis.
Yes.
You know, cirrhosis. But because my belly was giving me a little aching, and I just asked Jeffrey this morning. I said, Jeffrey, get me some cirrhosis. I have a large bed up there. And him just go and I said, I don't want the dry one, I want the green one.
Because you want the chlorophyll.
Yes. And then boil it, and it helped me. I don't feel that stuck in my tummy
Yeah, man.
again, right?
Yeah, man.
And then this one now, you have the strong back.
Yeah.
If you're going to boil roots, you have the strong back, you have the
Caney root.
caney weeds, you have the sarsaparilla,
Yeah.
you have the briar. The briar is not so easy to find these days.
Yeah.
You have to go far in the hills to find it. Well, in your hill in St. Thomas, you might can find it.
I mean, a long time I hear about
Briar.
the briar, yeah.
Yeah, man, that tough piece of something
Yeah,
like
yeah.
wood.
Yeah, man.
It's a good medicine, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, you boil those, the caney weeds, the briar, the sarsaparilla, the strong back, and the donkey weed. And you can put some, if you have coconut tree near you, can get
bark.
the coconut, not the bark, the root of the
root,
coconut. Yes, you get the coconut root, and then you can boil it and you get your green banana. That is the steam, the strength.
Yeah.
Right, and you boil those. And you
Randy just made me eat piece of green banana.
Eh?
Randy just give me a piece of green banana to eat.
That's right. And you boil it, and you boil that is tonic.
Yeah.
Yes,
So for all of the man them who impotent or infertile and all these things, that will definitely help them.
I don't understand what you say, impotent.
Can't have picnic.
Yeah, them
I don't.
them can't have them penis can't get stiff.
Can't get what? Can't get what?
The tree trunk can't get hard.
So with the one that you can't have no children now, you get that is your womb. That is something wrong with your tube. Sometimes your tube choke.
So for the woman them who can't have babies, I can't get pregnant, I should say.
What you get the, cause you get the, see one of the something up there, so the aloe vera.
Yeah,
That is the aloe vera and the tuna.
the tuna. Yeah.
And when you see them do it, you scrape it. And you
Get the gel from it.
Yes, and you get the dragon. And you mix it. I don't remember what else you put in it, but my son know, but he's not here. My son know because that when you have this, you have black tube,
Yeah.
right?
So something like that, you know, the vervine. You use the vervine?
I don't know. Well, he would have told you that. I don't know because I never boiled those things. I don't know. So those is good.
Yes.
Because why I get to know these things, if my father did live a little longer, I would have known more.
So your father was a herb man?
Yes, he was a herb man. He was a healer.
Yeah.
He the people bush to boil and help them.
Right.
You know, but he died when I was around 11 years old.
Okay.
You see, but
And between at 11 years old, you gain a lot of knowledge just as him.
that's right. But
Yeah.
not from him. But I don't know where I get it, but I just get it. It just
And at the
comes.
most time.
You see, and not when I was much younger, but now since I old. Because if I tell you, when I was going to school, I never loved reading. And after when I leave school and started out in the world, I read a lot. my knowledge, you know, your knowledge grow.
Yeah, the desire for learning.
That's right,
Yeah.
you just grow. And things what I know now, sometimes things, let me tell you something, brother, things that I experience now, because if my daughter in Kingston and anything happened to her, I can call her and tell her, I say, Jennifer, something is wrong.
Yeah.
You see that just that knowledge of experience just come. If anything happening in the church, I call her and say, Jennifer, what's wrong with such and such a one? And she have said to me, you know, Harrison did get in some problem once, and I was at home here, and I call her and tell her 2 things what to do. She said, Mama, who you know them, where you go? I say, I don't go nowhere, I don't have to go nowhere, my dear. I don't have to go nowhere. You see. And if one of them come here, drive come here, and I said to them, so, you know what you do? When you get a certain section, just stop.
Yeah.
Stop and wait. And sometimes when they reach Kingston and call me and say, Mama, we thank you, because if we never wait, you wouldn't see we again. You know, that just, you see, I was sitting right on that wall one morning, get up and sit down on the wall. And the boy said to me, say, go down and Mark, go tell him, say, check him bonnet and car because it's a workers fire. I said, I'm not going to. I never go. And I sit down on the wall and I never get up. And when the car come down at the crossroad, so he stop and he go in at the bonnet. And you know, check it good. And by him catch up on him road place, that road place in catch up.
Wow.
I say,
Imagine that, man.
I say, look at that.
Yeah,
and
man.
many things. You know, let me tell you this. I don't know what it is, but one time my man live here and he go to a see her. And I sit on the wall. And my spirit are follow him. And would you know, say, my follow him tell him go at the man. And 2 of them go. And then go at the man. And with the man taking crystal bath. I sit down and watch them, you know. And he take the crystal bath. And when he call him, he say, come here, come look here. My buyer somebody and I told him, you know. And he say, look there, look how with that. And then say, the man said to the man, say, he look like the same lady we come here about. Him say, then who hug her up? And he said, they can't take all that, that's a man. He says, are you in jail? You can't do her nothing. And me then go to after, you know. You believe me?
Can't touch you.
They can't touch me.
Can't touch you.
And him say, anyhow,
You're blessed.
anyhow, take that sweetie here and carry go give her. And if she take the sweetie from you, you come back. And the day when the man left town and I come, my spirit, I know the day when he come and my spirit, I watch him. And when he come, I sit down, go back, I sit down right on the wall there, so before the house put on there, so. And when he come, he come so, and he go straight home, and he go in at the house. And when he go in at the house around there, he put on my carry and he come and him no know, say, me sit down on the wall and I watch him, I mean, I see him. And him push his hand in his pocket and he take out the seat, you know. And him come round the bend. See how I say I come round the bend and he start to pull the sweetie. And I pull the sweetie and he come and he say, Mama, me get that sweetie here. And this year no more me could. And I say, I feel like somebody lift me up at the water, sister. And if I ain't catch him, you know, I know might be me not the bean. When I done with him, you say, man, when I trace him out of my way, and he never see it. Me say, you know what, if you can't eat it, can't go back where you got it. Can't go back where you get it. I mean, I want it.
No want it. Even though it's sweet tea,
Yeah.
I see things.
you know where it come
I
from.
see things. Anything.
Yeah, man.
I get good vision.
Yeah, man.
I see good things, you know. So this eye, let me tell you, the doctor told me that is my nerves. But sometimes I talk to the Lord and I say, God, if it's your affection, it is well done.
Right.
Because sometimes, you know, we get some things to go and do and disobey. Disobey the advice of God.
So basically, sometimes it's just a...
Yes, all right, the vision cut off, so you can't see people. So you have to just stay now under for him repentance, so now, you know, until when him ready for you. Because in the things where you're going to go do, your papi can go do it. So him say, all right, since you papi, me I go put you down there so. But me tell you something, man. I am blessed.
Yeah, man.
Everywhere I go, anywhere, me go to England. And say me blessed, me go to America. Everybody me meet. One day me and your mother, I come out of the car and I walk. I go over one store and I hear some man like sit down. He said, Mother, come here, come pray for me. What a blessed woman. Woman, how you blessed so? American, me there. Yeah.
And is that somebody we don't even know?
No, we probably don't know them. We probably say know them, so you know. I know who you know, who know you.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
God bless you know. Many of us get certain things to do to people and sometimes you just say foolish and just regret.
Reject.
That's right. And then you know you have to pay the penalty.
There's a penalty for being afraid.
You see it.
Yeah, man.
You see it.
Yeah, man.
Because when God called Philip, when the eunuch did in problem, you must understand what I mean.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Reading the passage of scripture from Isaiah 56. And when he was in problem, don't him call Philip, he said, come. Remember, Philip never seen me, no?
Yeah.
But him called Philip and send him to the eunuch. And after when them done and then when them traveling going on, him tell him, he say, how can I understand this thing without somebody to teach me? You need somebody to tell you. It's something just like how you come here now. And you tell me about that. It can be something.
God appoint people and instruct your move.
You see.
So it's just a one for us not say.
I just feel move.
Yeah, man.
You see.
Yeah, man.
You see, as the songwriter said, I will do what you want me to do. I will go where you want me to go. I will say what you want me to say. But many of the time, we're too busy.